Let's start by taking 3 deep breaths. Let's check our posture. Make it comfortable, relaxed. We consciously release any tension or discomfort we feel in our bodies. With the out breath, relaxing deeply. Now let's take 3 more deep breaths and let go of any emotional tension, any distressing or disturbing emotions we may be experiencing. Let them go with the out breath. Notice if there's a bodily sensation where you feel this emotion, and consciously relax that part of your body with the out breath. Now let's take 3 deep breaths and release any mental tension we are experiencing. Locate where this mental tension manifests in your body and consciously relax that part with the out breath. Let go of emotional and mental tension. Now let your breathing become natural. And let's generate together a motivation to do this practice, not only for our benefit, but also for the benefit of our loved ones and all beings. Include all beings in your motivation without exception. Now let's relax and let the breath take its natural rhythm. Become aware of the present perceptions, sounds, tactile sensations that you are experiencing. Leave your eyes half open, aware of any visual perception arising. We become aware not only of physical perceptions, but also mental ones. If there is a lot of mental chatter, we notice it. If there's worry, expectations, desires, fears, we notice them. we are aware of the state of our mind. Whatever is arising there, any emotion, any thought, we simply watch it closely. And we release attachment to these perceptions. We notice them, let them arise and pass, but continue resting in the present moment, without attachment and without distraction, aware of this moment. If you need an anchor to stay present, focus on the breath, the tactile sensations throughout your body. If there's a lot of distraction, relax more deeply. Make the focus of your attention closer. And if, on the other hand, we are sleepy, lacking clarity, drowsy, or lethargic, we focus with more interest. Thus we can find balance and release lethargy and distraction, finding relaxation and clarity. When you find that middle ground where you can flow without distraction, without tension, without attachment, stay there, fully present, without trying to push or suppress or get rid of thoughts and emotions. Let them arise and pass, and remain present. Rest your mind. Stay there for a moment. Rest in the spacious field of the mind. Gradually return to your body. Feel your hands, your feet. Feel your entire body. And slowly open your eyes. Let's finish by dedicating this practice so that every day we become more mindful and cultivate the causes that will lead us to total liberation from suffering. Wishing that we can do this training not only for ourselves, but for all beings.